In this video, we are going to see how to seal the wounds with vac dressing. The sponge, which can be autoclaved, has to be pushed a little hard on the wound so that you can get an impression of the wound on the sponge. Now you can cut the sponge exactly as per the size and shape of the wound. After cutting the sponge exactly as per the size of the wound, you can keep the sponge on the wound. Remember, the size of sponge should be a little less than that of wound so that the sponge is not in the contact of normal skin. Now, this adhesive tape. It is available of 2-3 companies in market. This particular is of Surgiwear company. You can get it of 3M or you can also get it of Smooth and Nephew. The tape should be held properly, very tightly by 2 persons, one on another side, other on other side, and wrap the wound completely over the sponge in very tight manner so that there are Now that the wound is airtight completely, you will have to make a small air vent at the center of the wound. At exactly center of the wound, you will have to make an incision only on the offside drape, not on the sponge. And just peel off the small part of that offside drape to expose the sponge in that area. This nipple can be peeled off from the bottom. Only the yellow butter paper should be removed. And the hole of the nipple should be matching on the hole which we have made on the center of the wound. Now, one tube from the canister, the soft big diameter tube with a black connector on the end, gets connected to the nipple, and the other small hard tube of the canister which comes out from this red nipple goes to the machine. Remember, the machine has got a this has got a double lock. Once you push it, it will get locked. Unless and until you press that black sleeve, it will not come. To remove the tube, you should press the black sleeve and then pull the tube out. Just insert the tube a little hard. It has got a double lock. Now you can switch on the machine from behind. Switch on the machine from behind. Whenever it is switched on, it will first display welcome Prasaditi, then it will warm up, then it will check, self-check, then it will retrieve the data from the memory. On the very first screen, you can adjust the desired amount of vacuum by pushing up and low button. If you push low button here, the vacuum will reduce by 10 millimeter. If you push up, it will increase by 10 millimeter. You set the desired vacuum. Say I want 180 millimeter of AG here. Then push next button. It will ask you the on time. Usually we recommend 5 minutes of on time and 2 minutes of off time with antibiotic bits, but you can go up to 60 minutes of on time and 60 minutes of off time depending on the oozing. After adjusting the desired on time, you can push next. It will ask you to set for the off time. You adjust off time, press next. It will ask the total treatment time. You can set the treatment time in hours. If you want to keep this machine 24 hours continuously on, then adjust treatment time 00 and press next here. Once I press next here, you see the machine will start applying the suction. You can observe the sponge getting collapsed. It will stop once you desired suction is achieved. You can observe the sponge here. Once the machine gets started, the sponge will get collapsed and the machine will switch off itself once the desired pressure, desired vacuum is created. You can feel the wrinkles on the sponge, which is completely collapsed, and the debris will start coming out from this tube and it will get connected into this canister. If there is any leakage in the wound, the machine will start itself, and because of leakage, if the pressure is dropping down gradually, then the machine will start itself every 20 seconds and it will start working again. To ensure exactly on which side is the leakage, if you pinch this pipe, soft pipe, going towards the wound, and if the machine doesn't start even after 20 seconds, that means there is no leakage in the system as well as in the canister. The leakage is towards the wound side. Observe here, once I remove this pinch, the machine will start immediately. It will start. So there is a leakage in the wound.